nakikinig din yung anak kong grade 8. Naku, mabuti po yan. Ang aga po niya. No? Sige, question number 23. According to some postmodern theories, such as John Baudrillard, how has the spread of electronic media affected society? A, it has led to ever greater levels of consumerism as people are constantly reminded of things they don't have that they would like to own. B, it has disconnected us from real people and places and led to a greater social isolation as we respond to signs and images that often have little to do with our lives. C, it has made us more aware of cultural differences as we are exposed to a wider range of ideas and values. Or letter D, it has provided new ways for people to connect and create community. Right? Grabe ang teachers natin. Talaga namang may sagot na. Hindi pa man ako tapos na magbasa ng tanong. At ang sabi nila, dahil daw ito ang pinakamahaba. Okay, sige. Pero magme-make sense naman, teachers, no? Dahil yes, siya po yung pinakamahaba, siya po yung sagot. The correct answer is letter B. It has disconnected us from real people and places and led to a greater social isolation. So this question, dearest teachers, isa po siya sa mga mahihirap na tanong talaga. Okay? Isa po siya sa mga mahihirap na tanong talaga na kung hindi mo kilala si John Baudrillard, okay, talagang hindi mo masasagot. So now I introduce to you the ideas of John Baudrillard, okay? And by the way, John Baudrillard, kilala po siya doon sa ating aspect of media studies. Kahanay po niya sina Marshall McLuhan, ganyan, no? Sila po yung mga nag-iisip ng ideas in view of what we see, no, as the trends in our social media or electronic world. So anong sinasabi ni Baudrillard, dearest teachers? Ang sinasabi po niya, the function of mass media is to prevent response, to isolate and privatize individuals, and to trap them into a universe of simulacra, where it is impossible to distinguish between the spectacle, between the spectacle and the real. Ano po yung sinasabi? Ano po yung 2 points ni Baudrillard dito? Sabi po niya, buhat na nagkaroon ng electronic media, buhat na nagkaroon ng social media, talagang tayo na-capture yung ating interest. Okay? In such a way na talagang kahit hindi naman natin kailangan, gustong-gusto po natin yung magti-TikTok tayo, lumilitaw yung iba't ibang mga ideas, hindi mo naman sila kailangan pero nag-e-enjoy ka. Eventually, nako-consume ka na, no? It would spark po to another problem, which is isolation. Sabi niya, dahil information is already at the tip of our fingers now, no? Dahil ang ating content ay nasa tip of our fingers now, hindi na tayo halos nakikipag-bonding in real life. Halimbawa, ito, no, magkatabi sila sa kwarto, pero hindi naman sila nagbabond dahil nakafocus sa cellphone yung isa, which is really what is happening. So that is the first point, no? Social media leads us to isolation, no? Ginagawa niya tayong private individuals na gusto na lang nating spend ang ating araw na nagse-cellphone. Yun po yung punto, ano? Next, ano pa? Ang sinasabi ni Baudrillard din, ano pa yung sinasabi niya? It is impossible to distinguish already between the spectacle and the real. Ito po yung sinasabi niya na yung expectations na binibigay sa atin ng social media, masyado silang perfect na hindi na sila makatotohanan. Halimbawa po niyan, the beauty standards, di ba? Ano yung pinapakita sa atin sa Facebook? Ano yung pinapakita sa atin ng mga filters? Sobrang ganda. Pero kapag nakita mo sa real life, ay, normal na Pilipina lang pala. Normal na Pilipino lang pala. That's the thing, ano? Pero ang sinasabi ni Baudrillard, dahil daw po sa electronic media, no, nagkakaroon na tayo ng nahihirapan na tayong i-identify which is real and which is not, okay? So yun po yun. Ang punto, if we go back to the definition, if we go back to the description provided by letter B, tama po yun. It has disconnected us from real people. Yun din po yung sinabi niya kanina, and led to a greater social isolation. Sinabi din po kanina, as we respond to signs and images that have little to do with our everyday lives. Sabi ko nga po, no, nagti-TikTok ka, hindi mo naman magagamit, no, or rather, hindi mo naman kailangan sa buhay mo, pero talagang nagti-TikTok ka. Eventually, teacher ka, pero yung pinapanood mo pang doktor. Teacher ka, pero yung pinapanood mo pang police. Teacher ka, yung pinapanood mo pang scientist. That's the thing, no? Well, maganda na marami tayong alam na information. Pero ang sinasabi sa atin ni Baudrillard, ano, so sobrang saturated natin ng information, sobrang tayong nako-consume, hindi na tayo nakikipag-mingle sa iba. Ibig sabihin, social media consumed us already. That's the thing, ano? So, yun po yun. Oo nga, si Ma'am Shang, tatandaan natin si Ma'am Shang, ha? Kasi talagang malakas ang chance na mag-top nito dahil pong active at talagang marami siyang alam tungkol dito. Sabi niya, Baudrillard claims that our current society has replaced all reality and meaning with symbols and signs, and that human experience is a simulation of reality. And that is from his book, no? Simulation and Simulacra, okay?